Have you ever imagined that you could run a successful online store while you're asleep, traveling, or even at the beach? Welcome to the world of AI optimization for e-commerce. A new era has begun, an era where artificial intelligence doesn't just support your business, but literally runs it while you rest. In today's video, we'll explore how to leverage smart automation tools powered by AI to create a marketing and sales system that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never stops selling.
Most people working in e-commerce spend their time running in circles, creating content, tracking products, dealing with customers, and sending emails. But what if I told you that 80% of these tasks can be automated with AI? The truth is, the real winners in this market are not those who work harder, but those who work smarter. And smarter today means letting artificial intelligence do the job for you, while you focus on growing your vision.
AI optimization in e-commerce means integrating artificial intelligence tools into your online store to handle all repetitive and marketing-related tasks automatically. Imagine having a system that analyzes market trends, creates advertising content, publishes it on multiple platforms, responds to customers, and follows up on abandoned carts without you lifting a finger. This isn't science fiction. This is what thousands of smart entrepreneurs are doing right now to make money in their sleep.
Now let's get practical. How do you automate your e-commerce business using AI? Step 1. Choose your product and platform. You can use Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Step 2. Create your online store and link it to automation platforms like Zapier, Make.com, or Publer. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to generate email marketing messages, product descriptions, and customer responses. Step 4. Link your store to MailChimp or MailerLite to automate emails to customers, including welcome emails, offers, and abandoned cart recovery. Step 5. Use Publer, Okoya, or Predis.ai to automatically schedule and post content across social media platforms without any manual effort. Step 6. Add Tidio or Monichet to automate chatbot responses to customers instantly and professionally 24/7. Step 7. Track performance using Google Analytics and let Looker Studio analyze reports and trends to help you improve. These steps may seem many, but once set up, your business literally runs on autopilot, even while you sleep.
Let's now walk you through how to fully automate your business using AI-powered tools so your products get marketed, questions get answered, and performance gets analyzed even while you sleep. Step 5. Automate social media posting with Publer, Okoya, or Predis.ai. To stop wasting hours manually posting on multiple social media platforms, you can use tools like Publer, Okoya, or Predis.ai.
Here's how. Sign up for one of these platforms using your email. Go to the Accounts tab and connect your social media profiles, Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. Now go to the Content Scheduler, or AI Caption Generator. Either upload your product images manually or let the AI generate images and captions, using keywords from your product. Select your posting schedule, like 3 times a week, Mondays and Fridays, or daily. Click Auto Schedule, and the tool will publish across all platforms for you. Predis.ai even uses AI to analyze your competitors and recommend the best post formats. This means your entire social media operation becomes a fully automated system that grows your brand without you lifting a finger.
Step 6. Use Tidio or ManyChat to automate customer chat 24/7. Customers today expect instant responses. With tools like Tidio and ManyChat, you can provide 24/7 automated live chat using AI. Here's how to set it up. Sign up on the platform. Connect your website or Facebook or Instagram page. Use the drag and drop chat flow builder to create chatbot conversations.
For example, hi there, looking for printable flashcards? Click here. Use pre-built templates for fax, order tracking, or product recommendations. Enable live chat fallback in case a human needs to step in. Activate multilingual support if needed for global reach. Publish the bot and watch it handle questions, objections, and upsells while you sleep. Tidio even uses AI to detect customer intent and route them to the right product. This turns every visitor into a guided buyer.
Step 7. Track and optimize with Google Analytics plus Looker Studio. Now let's talk performance. You need data to know what's working and what's not. That's where Google Analytics and Looker Studio come in. To use them, Go to analytics.google.com and create an account for your store or website. Set up a new property and copy the tracking code. Paste the tracking code into your site if you're on Etsy or Gumroad. Use their integrations. Let data start flowing: visits, clicks, bounce rates, conversions, and more.
Next, go to Looker Studio, sign in with your Google account. Click Create Report, connect it to your Google Analytics account. Choose pre-designed templates like e-commerce performance, or build your own dashboard. Set up charts showing top performing products, best traffic sources, and customer drop-off points. Looker Studio gives you visual, real-time insights to tweak your strategy instantly and grow smarter every week.
By combining these three tools, you've built a 24/7 AI-powered machine that promotes, communicates, and adapts without needing constant input from you.
Let me give you a real example. Emma launched a small online store selling handmade candles. In the beginning, she was working 14 hours a day, from customer messages to manually posting on social media. But after integrating AI tools and automation platforms, she now works only 2 hours a day while her system sends emails, creates posts, and even responds to inquiries, without her interference. Her income tripled, and her free time multiplied.
If you're still hesitating, let me ask you a question. Do you want to keep chasing sales manually, or do you want to build a system that brings sales to you day and night, even while you're asleep? The future is here, and it's automated. AI optimization for e-commerce isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity for survival in today's digital world.
Don't forget to subscribe to SmartProfitX and share this video with your friends, because smart people build smart systems. See you in the next video.